Hi, I'm Charlotte. Today I'm going to show you how to make these easy beaded earrings. For this project you're going to need 2 head pins, 2 beads, and 2 French ear wires. The tools you're going to need are a pair of round nose pliers and a pair of snips. First, you're going to put the bead onto the head pin. Then you're going to cut off the excess wire, and you only need about 1/2 inch. Next, you're going to use your round nose pliers to make a loop. You just turn it around and then reposition your pliers and go the rest of the way around to touch the other side. Now you're going to add your bead to your ear wire. Just place the little loop over the hook on the ear wire and then pinch it together to hold it in place. And now you've completed your earring. Just repeat the steps to make your second earring, and there you go. Thanks for watching. Before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.